Hi, Kevin Harrington, original shark from Shark Tank. Rethink your barbecue grill with the most adjustable cooking grate you'll find, the GrillUp.
You love your barbecue grill, except when it makes charcoal out of your expensive meal. Don't burn, just turn with GrillUp. Other designs can result in accidents and spilled food. Ditch the gas, meat always tastes better cooked on charcoal. At the lowest setting, the lid goes on for your traditional indirect cooking. Made of stainless steel and designed to fit most 22-inch Kettle barbecues, GrillUp allows you to simply turn the grate to adjust the heat. For a limited time, get your GrillUp today for only $69.95. Act now and you will also receive free shipping. Search for GrillUp on Amazon.com and use the promo code ASOTVGUP.